Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are unboxing on the floor, and you know what that means. Big box unboxing coming up. Okay, so we have here our DC Bombshells Halloween Batgirl edition. Okay, so the Halloween Batgirl is a variant of the original Batgirl from the DC Bombshell series. We have the original variant, but we're going to unbox that some other time. We're gonna look at this one because it's almost Halloween. So, and this video will probably be posted around that time. So we have here the vampire Batgirl at front. Okay, so this is the illustration of the statue that we're going to unbox. Measures 11.5 inches high, or 21 centimeters. And this is of course based on the artwork created by Aunt Lucia. Okay, so DC Collectibles, I love Zatanna and the Bombshell variants of our DC gals. So I'm trying to collect them all. We have Raven. We also have Bumblebee. That's another thing we have to unbox soon. Okay, so collect them all, hopefully. And on the side, we have the side view as well of the statue. Okay, so this has been with me for the longest time, but I haven't been able to open her because of shelf space. And I recently moved to another place. That's why I'm still unboxing on the floor. Okay, so but this gave me an opportunity to finally free up some shelf space and open up DC Bombshell. Okay, so this is limited edition. I think there's only 5,000 made globally. Okay, and we have one of the 5,000 items. Let's see what we have. I did this purchase way back during the pandemic. So that's how long it was. 2021 or 2022 if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So this is the, it doesn't say top or bottom. Okay, so let's just open it and see what we're working with. Ooh, slowly. There you go. So we have here the base. Okay. This is 3,247 out of 5,200. Series 2016, made in China. Okay, let's put it on the side. And then we have the nameplate for Batgirl. Okay. Good condition, mint. So this should just naturally snap here. And of course, the figure itself, the Halloween Batgirl. So there's also a Batwoman in this Bombshell universe. Okay, and it seems like the Batwoman is more of the serious type, and the Batgirl is more of the mystical type. So I haven't read completely the comics, but she became a vampire, I guess. So that's her. A bit of a paint chip on the nose here, but that's fine. We love the Bombshells for all their imperfections. Okay. Okay. So she has a parachute, but the parachute is in the design of a bat coffin, which is amazing. Half open. Okay. Black and orange tone. Halloween colors, definitely. She also has a piercing there. Okay. And of course, the bra is designed like a bat. Okay. So I'm going to put her now on the base. Carefully. Statues like this, you don't have to force them. they should naturally just snap into place. And there we are, the Batgirl from the DC Bombshells. This is definitely going into the shelf. Okay, I'll show you the shelf. There, it's going there. Okay, there's an empty space next to Mera. Let's see. Okay, so there she is on the shelf. And there is another space here, which means another DC Bombshell unboxing is coming your way. Until then, bye-bye!